Hey Tug followers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Casper Essential Mattress. Now everybody knows Casper at this point. For bed in the box, they're a household name, and this is their most affordable option. How does it stack up to Tug's tests? Keep watching to find out. Our mattress testing team today includes lightweight sleeper Rachel, average weight sleeper Zach, and heavyweight sleeper Alandris. To unbox the Casper Essential Mattress, grab a friend and move the box to its intended destination. Remove the roll-packed mattress from the cardboard box and unwrap the plastic. Give it about 12 to 24 hours to fully recover. The Essential is an 11-inch all-foam mattress. The cover is made from a knit polyester fabric. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of polyfoam over 1.5 inches of memory foam. The support core consists of 7.5 inches of high-density polyfoam. The Casper Essential falls at about a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The Essential is a bit more responsive than other all-foam mattresses on the market, yet it does still conform fairly closely to a sleeper's body. You're not going to get that traditional deep sink of memory foam beds, but you're also not going to feel like you're floating on top of it, so it's a nice middle ground. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. As you can see, all 3 of our sleepers were adequately supported by the Casper Essential. Our light and average weight sleepers received a bit more support than our heavier weight sleeper. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a water glass on one side of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper Alandris move around the opposite side of the mattress. As you can see, the water in the glass barely move as Alandris rolls around the opposite side of the mattress, showing that the Casper Essential does absorb and minimize motion transfer to a significant extent. Edge support refers to how much a mattress holds a sleeper up when sitting on or sleeping close to the edge of the bed. All 3 of our sleepers found that the Essential did sink quite a bit when sitting on the edge of the bed. However, they all felt comfortable and supported when sleeping close to the edge of the bed. Therefore, it's safe to say that the Essential offers better edge support than some other all-foam beds out there. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell just how much pressure the Casper Essential relieves on each of our sleepers' bodies. Taking a look at the readings, our light and average weight sleepers received adequate pressure relief from the mattress. Our heavyweight sleeper saw some pressure, especially around his shoulders, which led to less than adequate pressure relief. Taking a look at temperature neutrality, we found that all 3 of our sleepers experienced warmth and general heating up throughout the night. That's to be expected with denser memory foam and all foam beds. They do heat up more than their inner spring and latex counterparts. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Zach, what did you think of the Casper Essential?
It was pretty comfy. I typically like firmer beds, but I was really surprised at how much support it actually gave me.
It really caught me by surprise. Being a softer mattress, my expectations were low. But after lying down, I felt supported.
I thought it was okay. I thought it was a little too soft.
So side, back, or stomach, which was most comfortable for you?
Back, definitely back. I felt in total alignment laying on my back.
Probably my side. It worked for that.
I'm a full-on back sleeper. So
Good for you, that's healthy.
Yeah, that's pretty much all I do. But being a little bit softer, sleeping on my side was actually an option.
So, temperature neutrality, did you notice that the bed sort of trapped your body heat throughout the night?
more on the warm side, and I feel like it was gradually warming up the longer I slept.
I think it probably sleeps a little bit hot for me. Just that initial sink warms me up quite a bit.
What about motion isolation?
That I was most impressed with. It didn't give at all, and I gave it everything I had, and it stayed steady.
Did you feel like you would feel your partner sleeping at night if they moved around?
Slightly, not too much, but you could definitely notice, when someone did get on the bed. I don't know about movement during the night, but definitely the initial in-out.
Yeah, I think the motion isolation was pretty good. I could sense someone getting into the bed, but I don't think it would be enough to wake me up.
Now, what about sleeping close to the edge of the bed? Did you feel supported when sleeping there, or did you feel like you might roll off?
I think it was adequate, but I probably wouldn't get too close to that edge.
I thought the edge support was okay. I didn't feel like I was gonna roll off, which is a good thing.
So, Rachel, I know you tend to like a firmer bed. If you were okay with a slightly softer bed, do you think this would work for you?
Yeah, I think so.
I usually prefer a firmer mattress, and as soft as this one was, it was still comfortable for me.
Still found your spot.
I found my sweet spot.
Very nice. Well, thank you so much, Landry.
Thank you.
Let's take a look at how the Casper Essentials stacked up in our mattress tests. This is an all foam mattress, so it's a bit more responsive than your average memory foam mattress, yet will still be conforming to the sleeper. Support was very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation and edge support were good. Pressure relief was very good for light and average weight sleepers and fair for heavyweight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality was fair. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The Casper Essential comes in one firmness option. So if you know you want a particularly firm or a particularly soft bed, this won't be the mattress for you. Speaking of firmness, we did find that depending upon your body type, you might sink through the comfort layers and hit the core, making this bed a little bit firmer than advertised. If you like a particularly bouncy bed, so that traditional inner spring feel, this is an all foam mattress and won't be the bed for you. If you're a particularly hot sleeper, this is an all foam mattress, and no matter how it's designed, it's going to tend to trap body heat more than some other mattress types, so keep that in mind. If you're a heavier weight sleeper, you might not find the support you need with this mattress. You want to look for something a little firmer and a little thicker. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. If you're on a budget, this mattress might be the one for you. This is definitely Casper's most affordable mattress in their lineup. Couples, especially sleepers who are easily disturbed, will appreciate the motion isolation this bed brings to the table. Lighter weight sleepers and back and side sleepers will appreciate the construction of this mattress. Here's some additional information you'll want to know before purchasing the Casper Essential. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review at tuck.com. That's it for our Casper Essential Mattress review. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. For updated pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review at tuck.com. Don't forget to check us out on social. We're on Facebook, Twitter. We're always doing great giveaways and keeping you up to date on the latest sleep news. Sleep well.